How to set password in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to lock WhatsApp with password. Without further ado, let's get started. First, launch WhatsApp and make sure you sign into your account. Navigate to three dots at top right and access settings option. Scroll down. Look for the option of privacy and tap to access it. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and tap on chat lock or app lock. So here you got the option to unlock with biometric. Simply you need to turn on the button. When enabled, you'll need to use fingerprint, face or other unique identifiers to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. And you need to confirm your biometric entering your fingerprint. If you wish to lock automatically, you can tap on immediately. You can also select after 1 minute or 30 minutes. If you wish to show content in notification, turn on the button. Now come back, and with that, after 1 minute, your app will be locked and password will be set. Once you open it or try accessing WhatsApp, you will have to enter the password or biometric. So in this way, you can set password in WhatsApp and lock WhatsApp with password. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.